Have you seen the new Yoga Hohm? Here we have our boutique area, the desk where you sign in, some handmade malas, Ayurvedic products for personal care, clothing, handmade jewelry, props for home practice, here's the main asana room, where we can fit about 36 people snug. This is the fitting room, massage room, and back here we have our second classroom. And our second bathroom. So there you have it, Yoga Hohm. We're located at 323 East Walworth Avenue in downtown Delavan. If you're the type of person who finds value in taking care of yourself so that you can take care of others, and you want to enjoy yourself while doing so, while at the same time learning from knowledgeable, experienced teachers, and maybe you're a little bit of a rebel, this is the place for you. See you soon.